Hello there! On today's video I'm going to show you how I decorate my digital planner for the month of June. When I was creating this layout, I didn't have a theme in mind. I just wanted to see the mixtures of pink and blue colors. I made a blog post and a video tutorial showing you 4 different ways to decorate your digital planner. Check the description box for all my digital planner tutorials. I love drawing the calendar on my planner. It is a way of expressing my creativity and it also relaxes my mind. I organize all my stickers in an iCloud folder where I can easily find them on my computer, iPad and iPhone. I like to have access to all my digital stuff in one place. In the description box, I will list all the stickers that I'm using on my planner. When I'm happy with the way the pages look, I go to the main index of the planner to write down what is on those specific pages. The next page was tricky for me. I didn't have a design in mind, but I wanted the page to have a nature feeling. I wanted to have some flowers and leaves around the page. While I'm decorating my planner, new ideas come to my mind. I constantly move the stickers around the page until I'm happy with the way the page looks. Every month, I set 5 big goals for myself. I find it easier to accomplish small goals than to focus on a big long list of things that I want to do. For my savings tracker, I wanted to draw a jar where I will keep track of how much money I put aside for our home. I drew this jar several times, but I love the way it finally turned out.